Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 89 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. As always, quick review first. 返回 return. 放假 take a holiday. 租房 renting a house. 下课 class is over. 放学 classes are over. 分开 separate. 后悔 regret. 感动 touched. 乐观 optimistic. 惊喜 surprise. 惊讶 amazed. 惊吓 scare. Now follow me to learn 黑板粉笔画画 in Chinese characters. 黑板黑板 means the blackboard. 黑板 black. Clean the blackboard. 擦黑板黑板黑板 blackboard. The second one for today, 粉笔粉笔 means chalk. 粉笔足字头毛粉笔 chalk. Can you give me some chalk? 可以给我一些粉笔吗？米分笔足毛粉笔 chalk. Next one for today, 画画画画 means drawing. I spend all my free time in drawing. 我把所有的业余时间用来画画。画画画 一填画画画 join 黑板 the blackboard 粉笔 chalk 画画 join. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.